Hello friends, my name's Evelyn Joy and today I'm making mashed potatoes. Here's how I make mine. First, I take potatoes from the garden. I wash them very, very well. Then I peel them and discard the peels. And then I cut them with my beautiful paring knife from Pampered Chef. I cut them into pieces, then I boil them until they are soft. Now I'm going to drain them. Okay, I drained them. This is the Pampered Chef insulated serving bowl. It is not for cooking in, it is for serving in. I put my potatoes in, now I'm going to mash them. I'm going to chop and mix them and mash them with this mix and chop.
Why? What are you mixing?
I'm making mashed potatoes, Joshie.
Potatoes?
Do you like mashed potatoes, Joshua?
Bananas.
That's not bananas, that's potatoes. I can give you a banana if you want, but there's no bananas in here. Just some of my potatoes.
Yeah, look. Yes, bananas.
Some of my potatoes are different kinds because I planted different kinds in my garden. So some of them are white and some of them are kind of yellow. They're all good. Now I'm going to put garlic, salt, milk, and butter. All mixed up.
Thank you.
Welcome. Thanks for watching. Bye.